Okay, so now that we're got our selects from our footage, just like the tracking removal, we need to make these frames look like exactly how we want the final output to be. So that means moving this scar into the correct spot with the same amount of blur as needed. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's add a transform. Move the axis to here so we can line things up a little easier. And animate, set key, set key, set key. All right, let's go ahead and go to the last frame. And look at our image. All right, we got to enlarge it, rotate it, and let's go ahead and blur it. Oops. Wrong button. Back to our first frame. All right, let's go about halfway. $75. And 25. All right, so we got ourselves our 5 setups here. And let's go ahead and check it and compare it to make sure it looks like it's in the correct spot. Start with frame 1, go into frame 25. Yeah, it looks like we need to move it over just a little on frame 25. Okay, that looks good. Let's go ahead and look at frame 25 and frame 50. 25, 50, 25, 50. Well, it looks like this little piece here goes over that little slap line. And this one, it doesn't seem to come close. So let's go ahead and move it. Oops. Okay, let's go to frame 50. It's coming really close to the mouth. Don't need it to. Okay, let's go ahead and compare frame 75 to frame 50. Okay, it looks like 75 looks really good. We forgot to animate the blur. Let's come down. Okay, so there we go. We're pretty much done with our data set here. We just need to set it up for our copycat node. Let's go ahead and render these out just like we did before with an append. And because we put our frame range in there, it will automatically set it to 1 frame. And then we want to make sure our append is set to start at frame 1001. And then just like before, we're going to write these out, one going to a color and the other going to our input, or the non-altered version. Shuffle. We look through it, select plate. There we go. All right, so we just go ahead and render these out like we did before into a directory, and then we'll be bringing them back in for the copycat setup in the next video.